In this training video, learn how to fully utilize the weekly schedule. You can access schedule by day for each day by clicking here. Switch days by clicking on the arrow. Click the arrow point right to skip to the next day or the arrow point left to see previous day. Next, you'll see units, hours, and productivity by the hour table. Please note that units are average units by the hour for the last 6 weeks. Note you'll see bars below the table that represent each employee shift for that day. Bar represents the time that employees are working. The most critical part of the schedule is to ensure that you have help where needed so that you're not understaffed. And secondly, you're not overstaffed during off-peak hours. Simply look at the hours, for example, 12 to 1 p.m. And with the bar graph, you'll note the number of people scheduled for that hour. In this case, we have 5 people scheduled. Now let's take another example at 3 p.m. Note that we have 3 people scheduled. In the week view, you can review schedule by the week. Use SubSource's weather prediction to help assist with creating your weekly schedule. Preset your shifts by adding them to defined shifts. Click on Add Shift and apply. Click here to add a shift. Select a defined shift or customize it. You can also enter an employee's time off. Drag shifts slots over. View employees' experience. Check University of Subway courses taken. See other stores an employee is shared with. When you're ready to send out the weekly schedule to your team, go to Publish. You'll see a list of recipients who will be receiving a copy of their schedule via email. If you need to make changes to any of the emails or only want to send to certain employees, you can click on the plus/minus button. A list will pull up for you to make any changes as needed. You can deselect the list of employees and only select the employees you want to send out the schedule to. You may also edit the employee's email directly from here. Once you're done making any changes, click on the Submit button to apply all changes. If you want to send a note to your team, you can enter the note in the message box. Press Send when you're ready to publish.